Guys, namhlanje sine Mambo project all the way from KZN bavumi and sinembuzo embalwa manje sifuna ukunibuza yona engasinzima.
Yeah.
Smile sakho. Hey, let's go.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I want you to jump. Get ready, get ready.
What is 100 minus 2 plus 1?
100 minus 2 bani 98 plus 1 99.
Yes.
What is 99,000 plus 1? Sengifuna sithethe nje maths.
99,001.
It's 99,001.
Next.
And what would be your 1 million minus 1?
It's 999,999.
Yeah.
999.
Yeah.
Easy. You guys name like the big 5.
A hippo, a rhino, a leopard.
You?
Jesus.
Did he shock me?
A hippo, a rhino, a leopard, elephant, and definitely have a...
Don't tell me
I
giraffe.
can feel it.
A giraffe.
Giraffe. Is it?
What animal is on your 20 rand note?
20 rands.
20 rand on 9 gamp.
Is it not Mandela on the...
Mandela. It's Mandela. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Nelson Mandela.
Yeah, Monday.
ngibani ngiphe inyoni, a bird that can swim but cannot fly.
Here I come. Here I come.
What about the Kona that has a long neck? The neck is like this.
That sexy
It
one.
says, oh,
How sexy?
Yeah, it is. It's
Aye.
giving.
Aye, aye.
baby is a
Aye.
Hans.
Ihans, nama
Is it a bird?
ihans.
Ihans.
Or liya swim kodwa alo.
Yeah. Lele nemqondo?
Mm.
Yeah, literally
Yes.
one short.
Lele nemqondo.
Mqondwana.
Jesus is Lord.
Lele nemqondo?
Asking which continent is New Zealand in?
Ah, Buffett.
Keeping New Zealand,
just-
guys.
it's-
This is.
Wait, isn't New Zealand in is it in South America? No.
Yini mama? Yini?
Either South America or Europe.
Hey, he's not make sure.
What do you call a person from Zimbabwe?
A Zimbabwean.
Zimbabwean.
Okay, can I go like this? What do you call a person from Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwean.
A person from India?
Indian.
A person from Poland?
I can't
Polish.
Polish.
Polish. And a person from Czech Republic.
Check.
Yeah.
Yes,
There's a
yes, I know
country.
the country.
There's a country.
There's a country called Czech Republic.
Hi.
You check the
Aye,
public.
That is a miracle. I can't accept that. Can it happen?
But how many months have 29 days?
Oh,
one.
February.
I think it's
February
one.
28. February.
Well,
We've been
yeah,
at 29.
Yeah, I think it's 1 month.
Yeah, probably one.
The Bible, who is the man that betrayed Jesus?
Iqhude ngekakhali. Ave kuphi?
What? No ways. That's no ways. What?
Ingekho Peter nje.
Judas God.
uJudas ulo wathi wathini makayo mbethelele.
Wow.
Unoah yenake wathatha 2 of each animals into the ark. You would remember. Manje sibuza ukuthi, but how many people did he take with him?
He took people.
Wabathatha abantu.
Bokona abantu abathatha.
Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost.
Hayi, sikhumbula uNkulunkulu.
Hayi nama ngikhumbule ngifunda iBhayibheli
Thina nje sazi ukuthi abantu
ngezingaqeda.
babeseqeda.
Aze ngaliqeda ngafika le kwabhala ukuthi the
Asaze
end.
nje
Kwangikhumbula.
Oh, Yay. Yay. Yo.
unezinja eziyi-2 nabokatsi abayi-2. How many legs do you have in total?
I have 2 legs, guys.
Zimbili inyama nazo.
They've now learned.
What does Wi-Fi stand for?
It's something to do with wireless, God.
It's wireless frequency.
Wireless frequency something.
Yeah, wireless something, God.
I guess the W would mean
Wireless
and the I.
frequency in what channels? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm saying I caught her land.
As long as I'm connected and I'm doing my show.
SABC and Jamaican.
South African Broadcasting Commission. Commission. Yeah.
Commission.
Yeah.
Corporation.
Hayi corporation. Hayi angikhumbuli. Ngathi commission yeah.
Wabafana man. Awwa.
Corporation. Corporate one. Commission.
Separate.
Have you guys heard of the SABC Plus app?
Yes. I actually. Yeah.
How much is the subscription fee of the SABC Plus app?
It's free.
It's
It's free because I've watched. Yes.
It's free,
No,
my
can't check us on
darling.
that one. I've watched shows. I watch shows on that.
Okay. Can you give us one radio station nationally that broadcasts this Ndebele?
Ikwekwezi FM. Shout out. What you doing? Ukanyapa. Lotshani.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba ukwekwezi FM kukhanya ba